Hi, my name is Taylor Blue and I'm applying for the Desmos Fellowship. I am a high school math teacher as well as a math instructional coach at Mount Rainier High School, which is just south of Seattle. So the activity that I'm going to share with you that I love doing with students and sharing with other teachers is polygraph. And there's a couple reasons why I love polygraph. So the first reason why I love it is it's an authentic way for students to practice new vocabulary and to connect ideas that they learn in class to a visual that's on the screen. So for instance, today students were practicing the graphs of polynomials, ideas like odd or even, single or double root, cubic, positive or negative. And this activity allowed them to practice what those look like in graphs over and over again, but without this skill and drill type way. So the game element makes it fun for students. There's an element of play. They like playing each other in the class. And it gives an authentic way for students to learn vocabulary because it's real for them. It's not just writing down the definition of a double root, but it's actually investigating the graphs, looking at them, and interpreting them in order to answer a peer's question on whether or not it has a double root. So the way it works is that half of the class will sign in and they'll be asked to select a graph. So I'm gonna pick this graph right here. The other half of the class will be asking yes or no questions because they're trying to figure out which graph it is. It's just like guess who. So a question that I saw students ask today was, is it even? So after a person asks the question, it will pop up on their partner's, oops, I thought I picked it. It will pop up on the screen and then they have to really look at their graph and make the connection to the question. So is this even? Well, yes, because the arrows are facing the same way, so it is. This person will get the feedback that it's even and then they'll be able to eliminate everything that's not even. So that's not even, pew, pew. And those are eliminated. So now let's think of another question. Oops, wrong one. So another question that I saw students ask was, does it have a double root? So this is an idea that students struggle with. So then they really have to look at this and think about, does this graph have a double root? They may refer back to their graphic organizer and see, yeah, right here where it's turning around on the x-axis, that's going to be an example of a double root. So yes. And then the partner would then take that information. Yes, it has a double root. Well, these ones don't. So let's go ahead and eliminate those. All right, these are all negative. They're all even. What's something else where I could distinguish these in order to ask a question? Well, I know this one has two double roots, so maybe I can ask that. Does it have exactly two double roots? All of the questions have to be in yes or no form. So then I go back to this and yeah, it does have exactly two double roots. So from there I can eliminate this one and I can eliminate this one and yay, I figured it out. So it gives students that playful way to practice important vocab and to connect equations and features to graphs. It's really visual and fun and it's a great way to learn language. Thanks, bye.